Here's how to edit or change your colors in an Illustrator template. So once you're in your template, you can select any elements on the page. If I want to change this washi tape to a different color, I can just double click in and click on my graphic. And once you click on your graphic, you can see this color has been selected. So you can easily change a different color by clicking whatever color that you like and just double click out. And same thing goes to with other elements on a page. You can select an element and then change the color. Select this one and change the color as well. You can even put a different color like that, and so on and so forth. You can also select multiple elements at the same time that are already grouped, like this star, like this banner of hearts, and all these other shapes. This banner with the hearts are already grouped into one object, and same goes with the rest of them. So I'm just going to undo it. So instead of ungrouping everything, you can use your direct selection tool and select the banners that you want to change, and multiple banners at the same time to change it all at once. So to do that, you click on the yellow banner if that's what you want to change. Hold down your shift key and click all the other yellow banners. Okay, and then choose the color that you want to change from your swatches panel. I want to use this color. And that is how you change the colors of multiple elements at the same time. And that is how you edit the colors in your InDesign template.